Hey, what's up everybody? It's Brian from Toyota Overlanders and it's day 3. We're in Colorado and there's snow everywhere. Super awesome. So I'll show you where we camped last night. It was really cool. So this is camp pretty close to the interstate, but really nice secluded spot. And today we're actually going to be making some coffee, morning coffee Joe. This is what we got here. This is our kettle. This heats up water in about 2 minutes. It's awesome. There's our power. So we basically just turn this on. We'll fill this up with water and do some hot coffee. So looks like somebody had a fire pit here before, but we love this stuff. All-in coffee protein drink, espresso, good in the morning. Got down to freezing last night up here. We're around 9,000 feet. So I'm waiting for my water to thaw back out. It's still frozen. But we'll have some more videos of the day as we travel into Utah. We're in Rabbit Valley, checking out some old dinosaur remains here. This is really cool. We're actually camping here tonight, so should be fun. We're gonna go up here and check out this first fossil, see what it looks like. Check this spot out. We're in the Land Before Time here, Dinosaur Valley. This is actually Rabbit Valley. Cool stuff. Day 3, we're out in Utah. Great conditions. It's some light showers rolling through here and there, but it's going to be amazing. Some steaks, yes. Save for a great cooking on the cob, getting those coals hot. And then that's the view. Awesome. New kitchen, using the Dewalt for drawers, waterproof, all that good stuff. So, having the steak, but we're having some broccoli in the steamer, thanks to LenSun Solar, 400 watts of solar, free power, and using the EcoFlows. This is my backup battery. It's just sitting at 100% for anything else I need to cook, like my hot water.